How to permanently apply MTZ themes on Global Xiaomi devices. In this video, I'm going to show you a new method that lets you install and use MTZ themes on Xiaomi Global ROM devices. Here in my hand is the Xiaomi 14T running HyperOS 3. And this is the Global ROM version. First, let me show you how I apply an MTZ theme on this device. This is the new method I'm going to use in this video. I'll choose and apply the MTZ theme directly through this application. With this solution, you can permanently apply MTZ themes without them switching back to the default theme. As you can see, successfully installed the MTZ theme through this application. It's a Chinese exclusive theme that fully supports the HyperOS 3 control center. Switching to a different MTZ theme is very simple. Just open the app, choose the theme file, and apply it. This method is also compatible with Xiaomi devices running MIUI. Now, let's go ahead and install this solution step by step. First of all, let me show you a simple way to download MTZ theme files. Go to the Play Store, type in theme MIUI, then download and install the app on your device. Make sure you choose this app icon to install. And remember, we're using this app only to download the MTZ files. We won't be applying the themes from here. The app includes a wide variety of themes from the Chinese theme store as well as the global store. Simply select the one you like and download it. In this case, I'm going to select this theme as an example and download the MTZ file. After the download finishes, make sure you don't apply the MTZ theme here. Simply exit the app and open Xiaomi's file manager. The default directory for downloaded files is Documents MIUI Themes. All the downloaded MTZ files are stored in this folder. Now that we have the MTZ file, the next step is to install the app that lets us apply the MTZ theme permanently. Open any web browser, head over to Google, and type in this keyword. Open a web browser and search for the article about the MTZ Installer Pro app. Get app. Install app from File Manager. Before using the app, we need to go through a few initial setup steps. Here are the required permissions that must be enabled for the app to work properly. At the bottom, you can see the current status. It's not activated yet. The first step is to lock the app in the multitasking view to prevent it from being closed in the background. After that, go into the app settings and turn on the auto start permission for this app. Don't forget to activate the Allow Restricted Settings option for this app. Next, make sure to set the battery usage to no restrictions for this app. Now launch the app and head over to the Settings section to review its status. At this point, we've enabled almost everything. The only remaining permission is accessibility, shown at the top. Enable Hyper Theme Service. The app is now fully activated. Simply go back and choose the MTZ theme you want to apply to your device. Go to the directory where your MTZ file is saved and choose it to apply the theme. You can easily change to a different MTZ theme whenever you like. China region themes offer full support for HyperOS 3. allowing you to customize the control center just like this. Please remember, if you want the MTZ theme to stay applied permanently, you must keep all the required permissions enabled at all times. If your device switches back to the default theme, go back and check these permissions again, especially the accessibility permission. Thanks for watching video.